Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. So today I thought I would do you a video tutorial on how to apply halo hair extensions. So I posted these on my Instagram the other day and I had so many people commenting on how nice my hair looked. So I thought I'll do a quick review video of how I apply these because they literally don't even take that long and they look incredible. Okay, so I'll just show you what they look like. So it was really easy to do to colour match. So basically all I did is I sent a picture of my hair and then they just sent me the extensions to match, and no word of a lie, is pretty much spot on with colour. So they're really, really thick. They're really long. So they are 100% human hair and they are incredibly soft, and honestly, I just love them. So basically they're sewn onto this tape here, and then what you do is you have an adjustable wire, so that basically will sit on your head and then you just pull your hair over to cover the wire. It's literally that simple. So I'm going to go ahead. What I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten my hair first and then I'm going to show you how to put these in. I love it because you literally have no tape, no glue and no clips, so it literally does not damage your hair at all, and it looks amazing when it's on. So I'm literally just going to start by sectioning my hair, and then I am going to just go through and straighten it all to start with. Okay, so I've just finished straightening my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the extensions in my hair now. So basically this you need to measure to your head. So you're going to basically, you want it to sit sort of just the back of your head about there. And then as you can see, you have this excess wire which you literally just cut off, and that's basically how you fit it to your head. So all you need to do is basically pull the loop and tighten it like so. So basically it fits sort of on the back of your head. So I'm going to go and do that now. Okay, so that's about right, and then I'm just going to go and snip off the excess wire here with the scissors. Okay, so I'm going to go section my hair off now. So you probably want to leave about that much at the bottom, and basically I'm just going to clip this section up so you have about that much sort of down, and this is where your weave is going to sit under here. One thing I do like to do when I wear my hair extensions, especially when it's straight, I don't really like this bit because I think when you pull your hair forward you can always see like the shorter bit here. So what I do is I go ahead and I basically put this in a little bun under my head, so then you don't see that bit dangling down. If you have your hair curly or wavy, you can literally blend this bottom bit in, but just so it's like out of the way, I just do that. So I'm going to go and put the hair extensions over my head like so, and then I'm just going to pull out that bit there so it sits, and then I'm going to let my hair down. Now obviously you can see here, you can see the string. So what you need to do with a comb is you need to pull your hair over it, over the top, so you cannot see the string. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side. So now we just need to adjust and blend sort of in the front bit. So you're not gonna see the underneath now because I've literally tied it up. That's why I do that. So I'm basically just gonna blend in these front bits here into the extensions. And because they're 100% human hair, you can straighten or curl these as well. And even when you pull your hair back here, you still can't see the elastic. It's literally like well hidden. Okay, so this is what they look like when they're on and what they're blended. So obviously this is like if you straighten your hair. If you do it wavy as well, it looks so nice, but basically I just wave all of my hair in together so it blends really nicely. You don't have the bottom bits under here of your natural hair because it's tied around the back. And I'll show you in a second what the back looks like. But honestly, this does not take long at all, and like once you get the hang of it, it literally takes less than 5 minutes to do, and it just looks so nice. Like, I literally love having long hair, but I don't want to ruin my hair by getting them glued in or weaved in or anything like that. So these are literally perfect. Like, I love them. I can't get over like how easy it is to do. So I'm just gonna turn around now and show you what they look like from the back. I think I'm gonna have to stand up because they're literally like so long. They literally come down to like just above my bum. But I just feel so much more confident when I've got hair extensions in. Like, I know this is gonna really annoy me because I keep whacking the hair over the microphone. But yeah, they literally take seconds to do and they blend really well. They look really natural. Obviously, if you know me, you're gonna know that they're not real because you know that my hair's not this long. If you want me to do you a video of how they look curled, let me know in the comments because I'm happy to do that. I also have the halo ponytail, which basically you can clip into your ponytail and make your ponytail look longer, and you don't have anything around your head so that you can see. So I hope that helps, and I hope you can see how quick and easy that is to do. I'm not a professional like whatsoever when it comes to hair. Like, I always struggle with making my hair look nice, but for me, if I can do this, anybody can do this. You literally just need to adjust it right to your head, and then you're pretty much good to go. Just pull the bits out and you're ready. So yeah, let me know what you think, and definitely go check out the website. It's Halo Hair Extensions. And if you want any more how-to videos, then please again let me know in the comments box. But I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope that helped, and I'll see you in the next one.